Damn. Intador. Y'all, check out this SVO, bro. 2 of them. Ooh, so clean. Check this one out, y'all. Damn. She's clean. We got an Aventador right here. I'm saying, bro, whose car is this, bro? Another one. I would love to take pictures of that. It's crazy. Okay. I don't know what kind of McLaren that is, but that shit's clean. Oh, is this an M8? Jesus. Damn. There's not too many cars here, y'all, but got some photographers. GTR. See? Some trucks. There's a Slam Miata over there. GTR's clean. What's that? KTM, Lincoln.
No, the back. Oh, the back.
Yeah. It's clean.
When you put on a Firestone, it's Slam special.
Okay.
Airlift bags.
Check out this truck right here. Check out this Miata, y'all. Damn, this shit slammed like a motherfucker. Okay. That's pretty much it, man. I parked over there. This shit is carbon, bro. Look at that. This shit is clean. Y'all, let me check out these Lambos one more time, though. This shit's rad too. It's clean. Little McLaren. You know what I'm saying? That license plate. It's very cosmic. Bro, I'll check out this truck right here. Damn, it's crazy. It's like a 2-foot lip. It's crazy. It's clean. It's a nice little spot. Same. Fuck with this SVJ though. Damn. But who shit is it? Look at those brakes, bro. God damn. Look at that. That's crazy. It's so small too. It's super elite. Ain't really much else here, y'all. Probably about to go, you know what I'm saying? Weird. A little small meat. It's like a bunch of random families and stuff here. That's pretty cool. I'm saying? Hey, we can't forget my baby too now. You know what I'm saying? She a work in progress. Nice little drift cars. Yeah, these are all regular cars, bro. My car's dirty, but okay, I heard some air suspension. I don't know, bro. Probably finna go. Hey, leave my chest here. Bro, I really want to see whose Aventador that is, bro. That shit is crazy. Okay, my boy aired out. I like that color. That's probably this dude over here. Man, I'm finna go, y'all. Oh no, ain't nothing else here. Yeah, I'm finna go, y'all. Shit just kinda dry. Bro, who's just parking next to me, dog? Oh, hold on, y'all. We got a Fox body.